In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use accounting software. By the end, you'll be comfortable signing in, navigating the dashboard, and starting a new record like an invoice or expense, all without getting lost in menus. First, open your preferred browser and go to akaunting.com. Make sure you see the secure connection indicator in the address bar so you know you're on the official site. This helps protect your data and ensures all features load as expected. On the homepage, choose the option to log in with Google. Using Google Sign-In keeps things simple and avoids managing another password. If this is your first time, Google may show a brief permissions screen. Review what's requested and proceed. These permissions let accounting pull essential profile details securely. Next, select your Google account. If you use multiple profiles, double-check you're picking the one tied to your business. If your organization uses extra security, you may be asked to verify your identity. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once confirmed, accounting will redirect you into your workspace. From here, head to the dashboard. This is your financial command center. On the left, you'll see navigation for common areas like customers, vendors, invoices, bills, banking, and reports. Across the main area, you'll find widgets that highlight cash flow, outstanding invoices, recent expenses, and other key figures. You can usually adjust filters or date ranges to focus on the period you care about, which is great for month-end reviews or quick health checks. When you're ready to create something, look for the New button, typically at the top right. Think of this as your quick Create menu. If you don't see it, you might have limited permissions, so check with your admin or confirm you're in the correct company workspace. Now, select what you want to make. Common choices include an invoice for a customer, a bill from a vendor, an expense, a payment, or a new contact like a customer or vendor. After you choose, Accounting opens a form tailored to that item. Fill in the essentials, customer or vendor, dates and due dates, and line items with quantities, prices, and taxes. If you've set up items or services, use them to autofill details and keep things consistent. Pay attention to currency, tax rates, and numbering sequences so your records stay accurate and easy to reconcile. Use the preview to confirm everything looks correct before finalizing, and consider saving as a draft if you're waiting on details. That's it. Go to the site, sign in with Google, open the dashboard, click New, and choose what you need. With these basics, you're ready to keep your books organized in accounting.